force in the void. In the farthest reaches of the cosmos, beyond the last known stars, past the familiar constellations, into a silence older than time, space begins to shimmer with secrets. Here, distance is measured not in light years, but in forgotten moments. Stars flicker like dying embers in a hearth that no longer warms. Time slows, stretches, then almost ceases to matter. Amid this vast emptiness, something stirs. It does not shine. It does not sing. Yet it moves everything. More elusive than light, more dominant than gravity. This force weaves through the universe like a ghost with purpose. It does not speak, yet it commands. It has no face, no form, yet it shapes the fate of all things. They call it dark energy. Not because it is evil, not because it is shadow, but because it hides in plain sight. A cosmic whisper. Across the vast canvas of the universe, galaxies drift, not idly, but with urgency. They're not just moving, they're fleeing. Each one, like a solitary island of stars, is carried away faster the farther it travels. It's as if the cosmos is exhaling, endlessly. This motion defies gravity. It laughs at the pull of mass. Something unseen is pushing space itself apart, not with violence, but with quiet insistence. This force doesn't break the rules, it rewrites them. We thought the universe would slow down after the Big Bang. Instead, it is accelerating, driven by an invisible hand we cannot grasp. It's not matter, not radiation, not even the darkness between the stars. It's something else entirely. We gave it a name because we had no answer. Dark energy. But it is not dark in color. It is dark in understanding. It doesn't fill space. It is space. And though we can't see it, it composes nearly 70% of all that exists. Not a shadow lurking, but a whisper that commands the stars. A force not meant to be tamed, only traced, like breath on a mirror, gone before it's questioned. In its silence, it speaks the oldest language, change, the temple of Lambda. To understand dark energy, scientists went back to an old idea, something Albert Einstein once suggested, then later called his biggest mistake. He called it the cosmological constant. We call it Lambda. It's a number that stands for the energy hidden in empty space. Because even when there's nothing, no stars, no planets, no atoms, space itself still has energy. That's right. Even nothing isn't really nothing. Dark energy might be this energy of empty space, constantly pushing, constantly expanding the universe. It's not like gravity, which pulls things together. Dark energy pushes them apart. This changes how we see everything. Space isn't just a background. It's alive with invisible pressure, growing, stretching, breathing, not loudly, not quickly, but constantly, and the universe listens. The void beyond time. The deeper we look into space, the stranger things become. Time begins to stretch. Light fades. Galaxies drift so far that one day they'll disappear from view completely. This is the future of the universe. As dark energy keeps pushing everything apart, space grows colder, emptier. Stars will burn out. New ones will stop forming. Entire galaxies will vanish into darkness, not because they've died, but because they've moved too far to ever be seen again. It won't end in fire. It won't end in a bang. It will end in silence. This isn't destruction. It's something slower. A quiet fading. A cosmic goodbye. Dark energy doesn't hate. It doesn't choose. It just is. Steady, silent, and unstoppable. A force that doesn't need to be loud to change everything. And yet, in the middle of this immense unfolding lies something rare. The awareness to ask why. In the quiet pulse of curiosity, meaning is born. Even in the face of vastness, knowledge is an act of light. We are not the center, not the conclusion, but we are the ones who noticed. Dark energy flows silently between stars and atoms. It weaves an invisible tension through the fabric of the universe. We can't touch it, but in reaching toward it, we touch truth itself. 68% of the universe remains unseen, hidden in the shadows of space. And maybe that mystery is exactly why we keep searching. If this sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of wonder. Join us as we explore the universe's greatest mysteries, because some truths are worth reaching for.